Knowing where your strengths lie will allow you to sell more effectively into that corporate niche and get that product market fit that is so key to have success. Hi there, Kelsey Toner here, the founder of Guest Focus, where every day myself and our team of experienced tour business coaches are helping you build a thriving, profitable tour business. And how do we do it? Through our Guest Focus formula and keeping our guests at the heart of everything we do, from Guest Focus tour design, delivery, to Guest Focus sales and marketing. But here today, we are taking on a juicy topic, the corporate market. If you are interested in diving into corporate sales, if you've heard that there is a lot of opportunity there, but you're just not sure if it is right for you, well, this video should get you the answers you need. Let's start with an overview of the corporate market. Well, what are corporate tours? Well, these are any type of experiences, tours, or activities that are specifically organized for companies or organizations. That's a pretty big basket of experiences that can have a wide range of different purposes. For example, that could cover things like incentive travel. They could be team building experiences. It could be Christmas parties. It could be client entertainment and engagement, VIP, wining and dining, some important clients that are coming through. It is a huge array that all kind of fall into this general bucket. But it is a segment that has been continuously growing in the tours and activities sector, and it is one that has enormous opportunity and high profit margins for those that are interested in using this space. All right, let's talk through some of the advantages to jumping into the corporate space and the reasons why you might want to choose to do so. First and foremost is the possibility of regular and repeat business. If you are able to have a corporate offer that is a hit, if it resonates with a particular niche in the corporate market, and you can maintain those relationships, it's very likely that they're going to be returning from you to buy again and again, year after year. This doesn't just mean steady cash flow, but it also sets you up for some solid business growth over the long run. Another major upside is the opportunity for premium pricing. Corporations have higher budgets for things like experiences, events, client engagement, entertainment, you name it. You can easily achieve up to 60% gross profit on corporate tours and avoid commissions charged by online travel agents or other resellers. This can be a very lucrative opportunity for you as a tour business owner. A third advantage is that with corporate tours, you're often dealing with a single point of contact. Even for potentially larger contracts or a large group, that could be very profitable for your tour business. But the key here is that you're often planning in advance. You should be getting paid in advance for some or all of that to hold that space. And so it does make cash flow a little bit easier and planning and organizing your resources. Finally, a major advantage is that it diversifies your revenue sources, which makes your tour business more resilient and more able to weather whatever might come your way. Corporate tour sales can also help counteract that seasonal nature of the tourism industry. Unlike leisure tours, companies often schedule their events or trips during off-peak seasons. This can mean a more steady income flow year-round, helping you offset that feast and famine cycle often experienced in the tourism space. So is it all sunshine and rainbows? Well, of course not. There are some important challenges for you to consider before jumping headlong into this opportunity. Let's run through some of those now. First and foremost, you need to be prepared to adapt your current tours to fit the corporate niche that you choose to serve. Sometimes you may even need to create totally new products. Essentially, you're not only creating a brand new product line, but you're also serving a completely new customer. Essentially, you're taking a business and adding it to your existing business. You will need to adapt your website, your sales pages. You'll need to have dedicated sales funnels, dedicated marketing campaigns, which is a big amount of effort. And this relates to our second challenge, which is that diving into corporate tours can add a lot of complexity to your tour business, making it difficult to scale. You're gonna have to stay disciplined and stick to a simplified, fine-tuned set of corporate offerings to make sure that you can have efficient operations, that you can maximize your profit and have that ease of growth. It's one thing to get corporate tours now and again, and it's another to build this into a streamlined, efficient business. Our third challenge, of course, has to do with marketing. Finding the right contacts within these companies and organizations can be really frustrating. There can be a lot of gatekeepers, there can be a lot of different corporate timelines that we're gonna have to manage. And this takes a lot of proficiency in networking and sales. Also, sometimes the sales cycle is quite long. We're booking far into the future and we have to have a lot of points of contact to close that deal. Finally, navigating the diverse segments of the corporate market can be challenging. You're gonna find that not every niche is aligning well with your company or the tours and activities and experiences that you offer. And you're going to face constant requests as you get into this space to do things that might take a lot of your time, a lot of your energy. It might be for a nice price tag, but it may ultimately cost your business more in the long run. Understanding your particular niche and setting clear boundaries are going to be crucial to succeed in the corporate market. Okay, so now you've got a pretty good appreciation of some of the big pros and challenges that come with the corporate space. But does jumping into a corporate niche make sense for you and your tour business? Well, here are 5 factors to consider when making this decision. Well, firstly is your location and the local corporate landscape. This is an essential ingredient in deciding if this is right for you. Does your city or region play host to numerous corporate events, conferences, or meetings? Are there local branches of larger global corporations in your area? Or do you want to serve smaller businesses and local organizations? Understanding the corporate dynamics in your locale is going to give you a clearer idea of the demand that might be there for your corporate offers. Secondly, we highly recommend that you start investigating which corporate niche might be a good fit for your tour business. Do your current tours lend themselves well to handling large groups? Or are you better equipped to offer private, VIP experiences? Are your experiences more geared towards team building and problem solving? Or do they provide a more relaxed environment, perfect for networking, socializing, and year-end parties? Knowing where your strengths lie will allow you to sell more effectively into that corporate niche and get that product market fit that is so key to have success. Thirdly, it's now time to put that guest focus formula into action. We need you to get to know who you are trying to serve. We highly recommend starting with a guest deep dive where we're going to reach out and engage with some of the clients that you're looking to serve. We're going to ask them about their needs, their wants, their desires, and dream scenarios, which is going to help set you up for success as you design your first corporate offers. Achieving product market fit and building a best-selling corporate offer isn't accidental. It's a meticulous process of staying guest-focused in everything that you do. Fourthly, the level of competition in that particular corporate niche in your area is an important factor to consider. Who are the other players in the game? What are they offering right now? And what is your unique value proposition relative to what they're offering? I highly recommend searching the web and making inquiries as if you were a company looking for the type of corporate tours that you want to create. This is a great way to get insights into what your competition is offering, how they structure their pricing, and it will give you inspiration for where there might be holes or opportunities in that market. Finally, it's important that we take the time to crunch some numbers. Going after the corporate market, as hopefully you're starting to appreciate, is going to take a significant investment in time, energy, and effort. Before diving in, assess your business's current capabilities and resources. Project potential sales and profits and get a clear sense of your break-even and target revenue goals. By running some simple numbers ahead of time, you're going to be able to make a much more informed decision as to what you'll need to do and whether this is a lucrative opportunity. So there you have it. While there are some important challenges and key considerations before jumping into the corporate market, I don't want you to lose sight of the fact that for many small tour business owners, being and carving out a small niche inside the corporate sector can be a game changer for growing your tour business. Not only in terms of diversifying your revenue and growing that revenue, but really, quite honestly, in terms of profitability. If and when it makes sense, jumping into the corporate market can offer a stable, reoccurring, and highly profitable source of revenue for your tour business. It's one of the reasons that myself and our team of tour business coaches are hosting a Sell More Corporate Tours Bootcamp exclusively for our guest-focused coaching members. So what is it and what is it all about? Well, many of our tour business coaches that work for Guest Focus have done millions and millions of dollars in corporate tour sales. And we've put together a step-by-step proven system for consistently attracting and closing those high-paying corporate clients. We've put together tools, templates, resources, done-for-you scripts, and even outreach emails that you're going to be able to use to go after whatever corporate niche makes sense for you. We're going to show you how to build an irresistible corporate menu, a simplified corporate sales funnel, and a playbook of effective outreach campaigns to find more clients. Now, if you're interested in this kind of corporate training, then I'm going to give you a personal invitation to book a call with one of our coaches at guestfocus.com/book a call. We'd love to meet you, and we can talk through whether or not it makes sense to jump into this corporate opportunity. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I hope you found this video helpful. Leave a comment down below if you have been considering jumping into the corporate market. What's been holding you back? I'm curious to know. And if you want to share this video with a colleague, it would mean the world to us. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next video where we're going to look at 8 profitable niches inside the corporate market.